You like Mom? Seems just like Mom right here. She's not very happy about it, but I got it from her. So, ooh, I just peed and now I feel like I have to pee again. Oh, baby is moving, so that's kind of why. Let's just put it on there and see if we can find baby. I'm pretty sure he or she's on this side. And you know, I listened to it at the appointment. The doctor always finds it very easily, but she has a different probe than me. This is a circular probe, and hers is like a rectangular probe. And I think that makes a difference with like, what am I trying to say? With contact. So, like the more surface area is being touched, the easier it is to find baby's heartbeat. But I have no idea. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There we go. Maybe if I turn it up, you guys can hear it. Yeah, it's definitely baby moving because I can feel the kicks. Excuse me, Dal. You're so silly. So maybe I was wrong. Maybe baby is on my right side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I can feel this movement and it's very intense. So I don't know if these are legs over here, and because the movement's very intense over here. That almost sounds like it's a mixture of the baby and the placenta. But nothing's coming up on the screen. Like I'm not getting a heart rate. Oh, because I had it on the wrong setting. Duh. That's intense movement. Ooh.
Go.
Oh, thank you. No more. Don't squeeze it no more. No more. No, thank you. Please.
Go.
Please stop wasting this. I don't know how many times she's pumped that onto her own. She's rubbing it all over her body. At least it's only aloe vera gel, right? Just try not to get it all over my clothes. These are clean.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Say hi, pretty. She says pretty. She calls everybody pretty. Hi, pretty. No touch. No touch the camera, please. Thank you.
Bah.
Oh, thanks for giving the camera a kiss. Where's your baby? Go get baby. I wonder if I'll get a more galloping heartbeat over here. This might be legs, and baby might be over here. I don't know. Let's check.
Oh.
Woo. Where baby is. The best heartbeat's over here, but it's. Excuse me, Adele, move. You got me? Thanks for the kisses. Is that baby in there? This is obviously my heartbeat. See how slow it is? It's going down to 70 beats per minute. So this is obviously my heartbeat. So I must be hitting the artery down here. See how different that sounds compared to what we just listened to, which was my heartbeat. I'm getting this gel everywhere. It's starting to dry. It's just going all over the place. Hold on. Oh, let's clean up and start over. Okay. Whew. So I'm just gonna put gel over here since that's where we're getting the best sound from. You know, baby's. I'm gonna try it right here. So when I lay back at the hospital, she puts it like right here. Sorry for the noise. wonder if I just got that kick on camera. I wonder if you can see my belly move. Because I saw it from here. I don't know if you could see it from the angle. Baby is literally kicking right here. Little baby Jay. Still don't know the gender. Don't want to know the gender. Not until birth. This baby is moving a lot still. It's very swooshy. It's gotta be the placenta. Definitely not baby. It's going down. I don't know if you can see that's 138, 137. She picks it up so much better at the freaking at my appointments. I swear, she just like barely puts it there, too. And then it's like a galloping heartbeat. Like how much better could her Doppler be than mine? She's just easily, my doctor's able to distinguish the sound so much quicker that she just moves it around a few times and then it's like, oh, galloping heartbeat. And you're like, oh, for me, I'm still learning, I don't know. You know, that swooshing sound sounds like the placenta, and then I go way over here and I get my heartbeat. I'm just like, where's the baby? Ooh, that's pretty gallopy. Baby is literally moving my stomach right here. Oh, that's baby. See, and then I move, and it stops. Isn't that crazy? Ooh. Yeah, it's much harder to find babies sitting up like this than sitting back because I think it puts baby in a position where you're able to, they just have less room to move around, so they're almost like in a spot, like stuck. And you're like this, they're like anywhere. Who knows? You know what I mean? Like when you're laying back, it's more likely that you have like more area flattened towards them, if that makes any sense. Probably not. It's just less surface area, I guess, and less amniotic fluid in between the Doppler and the baby's heartbeat. You know what I mean? When you do this, you're maybe spreading it out a little, and like this, it's you know what I mean? If that makes any sense. So, you know, the lower you look for the heartbeat in the earlier stages of pregnancy, the more likely you are going to find the baby's heartbeat. We're talking about low, like down here. And then the bigger you get, the more you're able to look for baby higher, but it's still very low. Like I found the heartbeat, underneath my umbilical cord. Like 3, 5 seconds, 10 seconds ago, did you guys see that jump? So yeah, if you're looking for a heartbeat and you've been confirmed pregnant, definitely start lower in your pelvis. And then as the baby grows and you get bigger, you're able to look. But, you know, it's only because this is extended so much that I have so much more surface area down here. Back when baby was smaller and I was flatter, you know, there was only this much to look for baby, and now there's this much to look for baby in because my uterus has grown so much. And you can see that is my fundus. So that's where my uterus stops. The rest of this up here is organs, and this is all uterus. So yeah. I hope this video isn't like too boring. I'm going to try to edit it a little bit so that there's not too much just nonsense in between me searching. Although it is educational to see how, you know, where to look for a baby's heartbeat at this stage, almost 25 weeks tomorrow. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I was planning on talking about like my birth plan and stuff in this video, but this is already going to be 10 minutes and that's very long. Plus this little one has really distracted me in the middle of making this. Sorry, indigestion, heartburn, cat, all the things. I'm pregnant. Say hi. So yes, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will hopefully make a video here soon talking about my birth plan because things have changed, and maybe give you some more details on that, because even though I've done a home birth, I still kind of feel like this is my first time. Like I didn't do a home birth last time. This last time I just put so much, it was all up to God. I put everything in God's hands. I didn't really, and so I'm trying to find that this time. I don't know why. It's just like, it's like all of a sudden I had the home birth with her, with my daughter, and she's out. I did it, and then it was like, in my mind, I was like, I never have to do that again. So like, I don't have to think about it anymore, because we were planning on her being our last child, and now that I'm pregnant again, it's like I put all of that out of my mind, and now I have to like bring it all back. You know, like, you're like, why would I have to think about something that I'm not planning on doing again? I'm not planning on having another home birth because I'm not planning on having another baby. And now I'm like, whoa, I have to bring all that information back to the forefront. And and really put to rest the fear of birth in general without, you know, an unassisted home birth isn't something that very many people would take on by themselves for many various reasons. But I am healthy. My pregnancy is healthy, and I don't see any reason why I can't do that, especially because where I'm located, they are not going to give me the birth I want. They are just going to be like, well, you need a C-section, even though I've had a vaginal birth after a cesarean. Any hospital or doctor around here is just going to be like, let's cut you open, and that's not what I want. So yeah. Anyways, I'm ending this video and I started talking about a bunch more stuff. Sorry. But I will go into more detail if you're interested. This shirt is like bothering me. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so hopefully if you're interested in any of that, leave me a comment below. I hopefully will find the time and energy, and mostly it's like, who really cares? I mean, if we're going to be completely honest, not very many people care. No, not very many people are going to even watch this video. So, like, what's the point? What, so 10 people can watch? I know it sounds so pessimistic, but you know, in the end grand scheme of things, it is information, and the more information is out there and available for women who are looking for a home birth option, the better, right? So even if I'm like, who really cares about my stupid birth plan? Maybe in the end, me putting that video out will help somebody. So hopefully I will find the energy and time to do that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a blessed day. I hope you are well and feeling fantastic. If you are pregnant like me, I hope you are finding the energy and eating well and having all the comforts that you need and require. And you're just getting all the love and support that you need. And if you're not, then shoot me a comment and I can definitely talk to you and you can vent to me. So like I already said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a great day. And your day only gets better after watching this. Even though it's super boring and it's like, most people aren't even going to get through the first 3 minutes. Okay, bye!